Hello students, in today's lecture of emerging trends in mechanical engineering, we will study about safety in automobile. This is the last topic of unit number 1, and in that we will learn about airbags, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability programmer, anti-collision system, and last one is active passive integration system. So these are the safety devices which are mounted on latest cars or latest models of different automobiles. What is automobile safety? Automobile safety is the study and practice of design, construction, equipment and regulation to minimize the occurrence and consequences of automobile accidents. With the advances of new technology and exponentially increasing vehicular density, the occurrence of accidents has almost become inevitable, with the number of reported accidents increasing day by day. Worldwide statistics shows that the estimated number of people killed in road traffic crashes every year is almost 1.2 million, while the reported number of injured in accidents could be as high as 50 million. According to a survey, without increased efforts and proper initiatives, the number of road traffic deaths globally is forecasted to rise by at least 65% between 2020 and 2030. Broadly, the causes of road accidents can be classified into human-related, vehicle-related, road-related, and environment-related factor classes. Surprisingly, out of which about 90% of the road accidents are human-related. Advanced technology has been often advocated as a means of significantly reducing the incident and impact of road crashes. Vehicle engineering for improved safety has generally been focused towards modifying a vehicle. So number 1 safety device is airbags. You will see here the sketch of the airbags. A car's airbag will deploy in crash and cushion both the driver and passengers from common impact points like steering wheel, dash and side of the vehicle. The driver side airbag has been made mandatory under the safety norms in India. We should look for a car that at least has a dual airbags at the front for both the driver and passengers. Any number more than that is great. Airbags act crucial at the times of accidents as they act as a restraints and reduce the level of damage one might incur. So this is related to airbags. Second one, automatic emergency braking. You will see here the vehicle which is having this type of system. What is that? This is a simple yet useful feature. This works on a principle where the car will automatically brake if the driver fails to do so. This is a quite quick because the driver might fail to react to situation as fast as an automated system would do. The automatic emergency braking system is divided into two categories, where the city automatic braking systems helps the driver be safe within the city speed limits, whereas the highway automatic braking system does the same job at the high speeds. Third is adaptive cruise control. What is this? ACC is a system designed to help road vehicles maintain a safe following distance and stays within the speed limits. This system adjusts a car's speed automatically, so driver don't have to do. ACC functions by sensory technology installed within the vehicle such as cameras, lasers and radar equipment, which creates an idea of how close one car is to another or other objects on the road. These sensory technologies allows the car to detect and warn the driver about potential forward collisions. When this happens, a red light begins to flash and the phrase "brake now" appears on the dashboard to help the driver slow down. There might also be an audible warnings. Fourth one is electronic stability programmer. Electronic stability control is the part of this system. This system is essential as it prevents the car from rolling or skidding outward while curve maneuvers, especially at high speeds. This system distributes the brake force accordingly and ensures that each wheel has a traction with the road. So corner traction control of this car you will see in this figure. In these three categories you can read the description of that. Fourth one is anti-collision system. We often see many situations where the accident occurs only because the person in front of you suddenly applies the brakes. The forward collision warning system will always keep a track of speed of the vehicle moving ahead and will warn you about the impending danger. This system keeps a check on the distance and speed regularly. Last one is active passive integration system. Active safety systems, as the term suggests, play a preventive role in mitigating crashes and accidents by providing advance warning or by providing the driver with additional assistance in steering or controlling the vehicle. Head-up display HUD, anti-lock braking system ABS, electronic stability control ESC, tire pressure monitoring system TPMS, lane departure warning system LDWS, adaptive cruise control ACC, driver monitoring system DMS, blind spot detection BSD, and night vision system NVS are common active safety systems. What is passive? Passive safety systems play a role in limiting or containing the damage or injuries caused to the driver, passengers, and pedestrians in the event of crash or accident. Airbags, seat belts, whiplash protection system are common passive safety systems deployed in the vehicles these days. So this is the list of active safety system. Starting with number 1, ABS, anti-lock braking system. ABS allows the wheels on a motor vehicle to maintain tractive contact with the road surface based on driver inputs while braking. ESC, electronic stability control. It improves the vehicle stability by detecting and reducing loss of traction due to skidding. Adaptive cruise control ACC is an intelligent form of cruise control that slows down and speeds up automatically to maintain a safe distance from the vehicles ahead. TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, is an electronic system designed to monitor air pressure inside the pneumatic tires on various types of vehicle. Lane departure warning LDW is the mechanism designed to warn a driver when the vehicle begins to move out of its lane on freeways and arterial roads. NVS, night vision system, extend the perception of driver beyond the limited reach of the headlights through the use of thermographic cameras, infrared lights, head-up displays, and other technologies to prevent accidents. Blind spot detection are areas outside of the vehicle that driver is unable to see. This can be caused by window pillars, headrest, back seat passengers, and other objects. Driver monitoring DM. This safety system uses infrared sensors to monitor driver attentiveness. Specifically, a driver monitoring system includes closed circuit camera placed on the steering column that is capable of eye tracking via infrared light emitting diode detectors. Road sign recognition RSR notifies and warns the driver of enforced restriction on the road. AEB, automatic emergency braking. This system slows the vehicle and potentially reduces collision severity in an unavoidable situation. List of passive safety system. Airbag, AB or ABS. AB means airbag. Automobile airbag consists of flexible fabric bag or cushion designed to inflate rapid during a collision. Seat belt are safety belts installed on the passenger seat of a vehicle to secure the occupant against harmful movements that may result due to collision, jerk, or sudden braking. Occupant Sensing System (OSS) is the system of sensors that detect who is sitting in the passenger seat. Occupant sensing system eliminate the need for on-off switch for airbags in most cases because they use sophisticated technology to identify whether an adult or child is in the seat. Whiplash protection (WLP). In a WHIPS equipped seat, the entire backrest is designed to protect the front occupant's neck in case of rear impact. It utilizes a specially designed hinge mount that attacks the backrest to the seat bottom, which has a predetermined rate of rearward movement in the event of certain type of rear impacts. Child Safety System (CSS) are specially designed seats that protect children from injury or death during collision. And PSS, this system means Pedestrian Safety System, prevents vehicle from colliding with pedestrians by sensing the situation and provides guidance to make decision. In most of the advanced vehicles, this system automatically decreases vehicle speed to avoid collision with the pedestrians. These are some of the references that I have studied for making this video. Thank you very much.